Hi guys, and today's video we're gonna see how to download the raw data from the JWST Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope sent by NASA in December 2021. So we are gonna download the raw data from a website called MAST portal. So let's get into the video right now. So the first step is go to into your preferred browser of choice and type in MAST portal. I already have searched it, so I'm getting in the top one. So let it wait. So click on the first link, STSCL MAST portal. So this website is pretty slow because many people are trying to download the data from the JWST telescope. So you need to be a little patient. So let me wait until it load. Yeah, there we go. So click on advanced search. You need not read anything from here. Click on advanced search. First one is get here and type the mission name JWST, and here we go. And then if you know the object name which is captured by the JWST, like they released the 5 images. So I know I need an image of the Carina Nebula, so I will type in NGC 3324, which is the NGC catalog name of the Carina Nebula, and hit enter. So it's loading and finding the results. So here we go, we got 10 results. So now click on search. Yeah, we should wait. It will take a little while. So we need the data from NIRCam. At least I prefer the data from the NIRCam. So here we go. We have the data from the Carina Nebula, from the JWST telescope, and here we can see the target name, and we have the data from different filters. So download the data. Nothing. You just have to click here, and it will take into another folder. Another web page, and it starts downloading right now. As you can see here, I'm not gonna download it. I have already downloaded. So likewise, you can download the images from other filters as well, and can start doing your processing. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later.